welcome back to my channel. I am getting ready to go to Greece. It's probably going a little past 2 maybe. And I just packed up my suitcase. This is my medium-sized suitcase. And I still have to add some more stuff, but it's pretty much brim to the fullest. I'm thinking about putting it in my largest suitcase just because I want to get stuff and bring it back, but I don't also want to carry it everywhere and have to worry about it. But I don't know what I'm gonna do, guys. I keep going back and forth. I really want to just sit and do homework. I know that I'm gonna get it done, but it's just sitting down and doing it. I just need to hem it out. Just need to sit and do it. I'm sitting here and doing it. I just ate lunch. I'm packing up. If I had my carry-on, I think that I'll be in better shape mentally because I would know how big it is. I don't think it's going to be that big. But I have the outfit that I'm going to wear to Greece. And I'm thinking of the outfit that I'm going to wear to New York and from New York back. I'm just going to have one outfit. What I wear there, I'm going to take it off, put on my pajamas, and then be done with it. And then also what I wear back will be the same thing. So that's just one outfit for going to New York and then coming back from New York. My aunt can wash it when I'm gone. Oh, excuse me. I'm thinking about tomorrow after work going to get gel polish because I just can't be full. Like, it's already chipping right there. I don't know if you guys can really see that, but I had to paint over it right here. And right there from my oh, but yeah, guys, I just don't know. Like, I'm over it. I packed up all my medicine. This is my best friend's gift. I actually got her a necklace. She's not really a whole, like, jewelry person, but it's the thought that counts. I got her this necklace. It's in gold because she wears a lot more gold than she does silver. And it has the date that we're going. And that's also the same date that her grandfather passed away last year. That was extremely rough for her. I know she still misses him to this day. But I just thought that was special that the day that we're leaving to go on this new adventure together, to leave the country for the first time together, in period. And, you know, that's the date of our trip that we're going to remember forever, and also the date that her grandfather passed away. I did put it in Roman numerals because that's just, I think that's just her. I put it in Roman numerals, and I put last year's date because I figured the date was the same, but I really wanted her to remember her grandfather. So I'm going to take this on my carry-on and do it that way, because I figure, like, guys, when they propose out of town or whatever, like, they have to put it on the carry-on, right? Just in case they lose their bag. And you've gone without that ring. Like, I hope my future husband's not that crazy. So yeah, guys, I think I'm just about to just put it in a big suitcase and just deal with it. Suck it up, because this little one, although it's a nice size, it's still heavy. Like, if I had to pull it up, it's still heavy. So we're gonna do that. I'm gonna dump all this stuff out. Well, not dump, I'm just gonna transfer it over. I put it in compartments so that it's easier to just, you know, play Tetris with. And all I have left to do is pack my carry-on and figure out the outfit that I'm wearing. And on my carry-on, I'm gonna pack that outfit. And that, I think, So I need to have a set of pajamas that I'm keeping in New York and a outfit that I'm keeping in New York. So just in case something were to happen, I already have something set and ready to go. Pack up my sunglasses. My medications will be going with me on my carry-on. I can't find that letter. I think I left it at work. I'm going to hope that I left it at work or in my car, stating that I can keep my EpiPen on me. So that's left. My medications, I already packed some food I told you guys about in the previous clips. Yeah, I just gotta pack my carry-on at this point. I packed my soap, my toothbrush, my deodorant, my oil for my hair, my rump cream for my thighs, so chafing's not an issue. And just gotta pack up my electronics, like my chargers and stuff, which I have a pouch for that. I need to go to the bank and deposit all the money that I've saved up for Greece. I think I'm at about 700. So I'm gonna keep out $100 for New York City, but I'm gonna keep out about 150 and keep that as cash, and then deposit the rest, and the rest will be used for Ubers. And when I have to go to the ATM and check out some money, convert the money to Greece money, and I think they're in euros. So euros, and that is pretty much it. So I'm gonna go ahead and pack up this stuff, guys, and be done with that. So on to the next clip.
Okay guys, so I've broken up into some foods that I'm going to be taking. I told you guys yesterday in the previous video that I had some snacks. Some Pop Tarts just in case. Me and my best friend love Cheez-Its. Well, I don't love them anymore, but they're just, perfect size to just snack on. I know she likes them. I brought some peanut butter because it's filling, and it can be a breakfast or a to-go snack. Just put some crackers with it. And like I said, I have some candy. Then I packed some oatmeal because I'm one of those people that rarely ever get tired of oatmeal. And it's just a nice filling meal to have. As long as you have a hot water, you can have this on the plane. So as long as you have access to hot water, some type of, if they have tea, then they have hot water, or they can boil some hot water for you. So I have a whole packet of Ziploc, normal size of oatmeal. So I'm going to be taking that as well for breakfast, dinner, snack, whatever it's needed for. I'm not sure if I'm going to be having it on my carry-on, or I'm just going to have like a little bit on my carry-on because I don't like eggs and I don't know what's going to be on the plane. So I might just take a little bit and add some hot water and just do it that way. And then I have all my medicine broken up. So you guys saw from the previous video that I have some Dramamine. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but I have like anti-diarrhea medicine. I don't know if I'm the only person that just like, I struggle taking a number 2 on vacations. It's just sometimes it just happens, or it's the complete opposite. I can't recall ever really having diarrhea, but just in case you never know, me or someone else, Benadryl, because Benadryl is always needed. Allergy medication for allergies, obviously. This is a different type of anti-diarrhea medicine. And these are all clearly prescription pills. I don't take all of these. These are, some that I have saved up, like they might have only one thing in it, or two pills left in it, but I don't take all of these, or I just keep them in, save the bottles for like earrings and stuff. So you can do that if you ever have any like excessive amount of these, you just keep them that way. You can put like earrings and necklaces and stuff in there, coins and stuff like that. So I have all my medications. I'm going to be breaking it up. Like I have some Advil PM. And these are pretty easily identified. You can see the Advil PM on them. So I can put more pills in here since these are already written out what it is. So it's going to be easy for me to identify what it is. And like, these are Tums. See, I have just Tums in here. So that's definitely something that's going to have to go with me. I have some melatonin for the plane when I'm ready to just go to sleep. It's a natural medication, and it just promotes relaxation and sleep. So I'm actually taking like Advil PMs every night. Because I don't know about you guys, but I get like really thirsty when I drink, or when I have like Advil PMs or my muscle relaxers. Definitely going to be taking my muscle relaxers, just because my muscles do be hurting sometimes, and I'm going to be doing a lot of walking and exercising on there. So I have some ibuprofen I'm definitely going to be taking those. So I'm just writing down all of my medications that I'm going to be bringing, making sure that I check them off my list. And I have my EpiPen. My doctor wrote me a letter, but it's surprisingly, I can't find it. So I'm going to go try to find that. And then after I get done packing, I'm going to get started on my homework and getting that all done and set and ready to be boarded. But yeah, this is just some tips. So combine some medications together. I've never really had a problem doing that, but if that's something that you want to do, then do that. Just make sure that you can easily be able, okay, this is this, or make sure that it's written on there so that you don't get confused and taking the wrong thing.
So I'm packing up my jewelry now. I still have one of these. As you can see, I haven't used some of these. So what I'm going to do is going to put the ones that came on here back and fill in those spots and see whatever else. I've been saving these up. I always save these. So I have a lot of these attachments that come with the buttons. So like if you have an outfit with an extra button, they usually come with these attached to the tag. And I usually just save them and put them in my jewelry box. And then I take the button out, put the button back in my jewelry box, and then I'll put the earrings in. So you can see like I have a whole thing of rings and another thing of rings. So you can also do this with necklaces, which I have to do next, and earrings. So you can put multiple pairs of earrings in there. I'm probably So I'm gonna start cleaning up, and that's pretty much it. Hey guys, so I just wanted to end the vlog and just say thanks for watching. Please subscribe, please like the video or dislike it, doesn't matter to me. But I'm excited. I'm getting super nervous, get super excited. I can't believe it. I love you guys. I hope that you guys are having a great day. Be prepared to see more beautiful vlogs. Have a beautiful, bright day. Thanks for watching, guys. Next episode, we'll be getting ready to board the plane for New York City. Mwah!